Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve game not working on Roblox. To know how to fix or how to solve game or games not working on Roblox app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window or to the app of Roblox, and you can click here in this page. After that, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment or 3 seconds to turn on your phone Wi-Fi again. Here like this. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.